Hello YouTube, welcome to a CA850 sort of a loco review, or just loco thingy bob. So as you're aware, I'm in the process of tidying up the attic, and I've come across this one that I completely forgot I had. It is a Hornby Class 37 97301 in network rail, catalogue number R3289TTS. It's part of the Hornby twin track sound range, so it's a cheap version of sound locos they're doing. It's tooled on the basic Lima body, so it's got no lights, poor cab interiors. However, for what you get for the sound is fantastic. It's ideal if you want to start modelling and developing your skills. These are the ideal locos to work on. So what we'll quickly do, we'll go through the sound you get with it. I've lost the original sheet. I found the box but not the sheet. And then we'll just do a little quick running session. I'll probably put on the Pullman's coaches, they're out at the moment. So we'll run through, won't do the engine on. So we'll do the first one is your horn, so that's function 2. And then this is function 3. Function 4, brake squeal. 5 and 6 are your power up, power down. Then function 10 sounds like a compressor. And function 11, door. Function 12, sounds like a fan. I apologise, I don't have the exact what they are, so I can only apologise. Function 13, long horn. Function 14, long horn. And the last one on my controller is function 15, which sounds like it's going to do a build up to a start up or a fail start. So that's the general sounds you get with this loco. So what we'll do, we'll start off on starting up, and we'll just run it on this bit, and then we'll attach it to a couple of Pullman coaches, and we'll give it a test, because it is a very, very light loco, but it can actually pull some coaches, which is surprising. So this is it starting up. Sounds a bit not right, so it's ticking over. So we'll pull it away. The weathering was by me. It's appalling. It was just done with powders, but you know, you gotta learn. And there's a cheap loco. Let's send it back. So as you can see, it's got a good deep sound as a 37-inch step. For the cost of this loco, it's well worth it. A lot of people take the chips out and put them in other 37s. But as I like my network rail fleet, this will keep its chip. I will eventually get around to putting lights, etc, etc. So what we do now, we'll do some shots of it running with the Pullman coaches. So once again, thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. And if you'd like more detailed video, then please comment below. So from me, hope you have a good evening, and goodbye.